Kelly from Soaps and Such, and I'm going to show you how to complete your electronic wish list. So anybody can do this following these easy steps, and anybody nationwide can get your wish list. I launched my browser. I'm going to type soapsandsuchalpina.com, and I'm going to bring up our Soaps and Such website. One of the first things you want to do is add what I call the wish list products so that we know that this is a wish list. So over here, you can use the find button, or see where it says wish list nationwide up here on the banner. Just click that. Okay, and you add this first. So this is new electronic wish list, the process. So what I do is I want the promotion code wish list. So I need to make sure I put that on in the end. That's my choices, or choose to pick up at Alpino Shop on checkout. Okay, is another thing that we have to do. Okay, so then we also need to supply some emails. Okay, and we need to email to send to the wish list people. I click that, and I want John to get it, and I want Sue to get it. Okay, if I didn't want to use emails, I could click here and I could put addresses, and we'd send note cards to people. Okay, there's one. And then this also will step you through the wish list here. Shop online as usual. Add this completed form to your order. In the promotion code, put wish list, and make sure you do pick up in store. So we need to make sure we do that. Okay, so we have the people we want for our wish list. You can add as many as you want. Remember that people can receive your wish list and order online and have it shipped to them directly. So if you're in Tennessee, if you're in Orlando, if you're in San Francisco, you can have people order online and we'll ship it for just $9.50. Okay, so I want to add to the cart, and I have my wish list added to the cart with the people that I want to have it. Okay, so right here, so that I don't forget, I'm gonna put my promotion. Well, actually, I'm going to continue. Let's put my promotion code in first. I'll put wish list. Okay, wish list. You can do it before or after. I'm going to put apply. Okay. Then I'm going to continue shopping here. Okay. So I'm going to get a rosewater astringent. I want that on my wish list. I'm going to continue shopping. Remember that you can shop by categories here or categories here. And if you have a girlfriend that you want to share this, tell about this wish list, you can give her the site, soapsandsuchalpina.com, and tell them to click wish list nationwide, and that'll step them through it, and also this video as well. So let me see, I'm going to get a body wash. I'll click body wash over there. I'll get a cucumber. I'll add that to my cart. So you're probably going to have a nice long list here. I'm going to stop with those products so I don't make the video too long. Okay, so it says subtotal 25. So I'm going to put here in the coupon code, okay, I'm going to put wish list and apply. So I guess you need to do that at the end of it. See how it goes to 0? So at the end of it, at the end of your ordering, make sure you put wish list here in the coupon code. Otherwise, it's going to have all the charges here, and this is a wish list. So then you put checkout. Okay, you need right here in-person pickup. So you need to change the shipping address to in-person pickup. So even if this is getting mailed and ordered by somebody else for your wish list, we want to make sure that the delivery fees don't automatically go on there. So make sure you put in-person pickup regardless. Okay. Then you need your email address in there, or I won't take it. I'll put my email address, my phone number in there. Okay, you'll see over to my right, it says 0. If it doesn't say 0 right there, that means that you need to put the coupon code in here and make sure that it says in-person pickup here. Okay, so just go slow with this. Continue. Just hit continue on the left. Again, there isn't anything here. As far as charges go, I have who I need to send it to, so any special notes you really want to send, you can put it up here and complete my order. Okay, and that's it. So that's how you make a wish list. And then we will follow your instructions and either notify the people about your wish list or email it to them, and we will have a direct link for them to your products so they could just pick and choose your products. They'll already be preset, pre-populated in there. So it's a good way to get everything on your wish list this year. And if you have any questions, you can always call me at the store, 989-340-1299. That little jingle tells me that this order has been received. So the first time for online wish lists. Hope you enjoy, and happy holidays.